I'm Josh Shaw with Badgerland Connections. We're running the cobble bit along with the Kondex housing. We've been using these now for roughly a year and a half. We've had extremely good success with them. This housing in particular has lasted us approximately 4 months and it's still in great shape. Everything from the spline all the way down to the front where the head connection is working great. This bit has roughly 300 hours on it. It's still in fantastic shape and we'll get a lot of life out of it. We run these bits exclusively because they work in all ground conditions. We've been drilling in sand, stone, cobble, sandstone, dirt, you name it. And we haven't seen any reason to change this bit out yet because it's worked in everything we've ever put it through. What I like best about the tooling is two things. One, they're made here in Wisconsin. We're a local company. We're a local company based out of Wisconsin. But more importantly, we can rely on them. These bits have honestly outlasted anything that we've ever put in the ground 5 times. So when we're on a job and we need our tooling to work for us, this never fails us.